This is the original version, which includes creme de violette, giving it a lovely violet hue, because blue drinks do taste better. To make this version, you will need 50 ml of gin, 10 ml of maraschino liqueur, 5 ml of creme de violette, 20 ml of lemon juice, 5 ml of sugar syrup, and a cherry to garnish. You also need a jigger, shaker tins, a hawthorn strainer, a fine strainer, and a chilled coupe glass. I am just going to cut a little coin off and do a twist and discard over the top of the drink, and then just keep the cherry as the garnish. So we're going to start with 10 ml of our maraschino, 50 ml of London Dry Gin, 20 ml of freshly squeezed lemon juice, and then 5 ml each of the violette and the sugar syrup. Enslin's recipe doesn't call for sugar, but I do think that a little dash just really helps to balance it all out. Then we're going to fill our shaker tin up with ice, pop the tins together, get them nicely lined up, and shake as hard as you can. Got a nice lofty coupe here to go with the name, and just use your hawthorn strainer to hold the ice back and pour through the fine strainer. Now, the lemon twist is absolutely optional. I just like it to kind of lighten and brighten everything. And then I've just rinsed off this cherry, and that can just pop in. And there we have my version of Harry Enslin's Blue Aviation. So now you know.